Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. In this video, I'm just showing some of the castings I got recently. The first one is this Morgan Plus 4. It's by Matchbox. Looks like a nice casting. The second one is this 1970 Citroen 2CV. It's new for 2025. Again, looks like a good casting. The third one is this Radical SR3X XR. I'm not sure if it's new for 2025, but I'm pretty sure it was new for 2024. If it's not new for 2025, because I haven't seen this one before. The fourth one is this Coast to Coast boat by Matchbox. Again, it's new for 2025. I'm not an expert on boats, so don't know much about these. The fifth one is this Pagani Huayra Roadster. I'm pretty sure it's not new, but it's a short card and it has some good details. I ended up getting this. And the last one I got is this Highway Hauler 2. It's based on some kind of truck, I'm not sure what, but seems to have a day cab. So yeah, so videos for all these will come very soon, most probably in coming weeks. Stay tuned. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see detailed videos of all the casting you just saw. Thank you. Have a good day.